guys, it's Mrs. Ferreira. So we talked about anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is the other number. Anything times 2, you count by 2's on your finger. 2 times 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Anything times 3, we use the claw. 3 times 3, put up 3 fingers, make the claw, count my parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we talked about factors of 4, counting 2 at the top of your finger and the 2 at the bottom of your finger. So 4 times 4 would be 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I count 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom because then each finger is equal to 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. We already know how to count by 5s. You've memorized how to count by 6s, hopefully. You've memorized how to count by 7s. You've memorized, hopefully, how to count by 8s. Now, you gotta think about 9s, and there's like a super cool trick that I'm about to show you. So I'm gonna have my video camera woman come over here, and the trick that you need is you need to look at your fingers until you remember them, and you put your fingers flat on the table. Go ahead and push pause and then. All right, so we're gonna put our fingers flat in front of us, and we're gonna count our fingers starting over here with this pinky with our left pinky. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So put your fingers flat on the table in front of you and count through them, starting with your left pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 9 times 1, you're gonna fold down your number 1 finger right here, your left pinky. On this side of my folded down finger is my 10s. There are 0 10s. And then on this side on the right hand side of my folded finger, I count my 1s. So 9 times 1, because my first finger folded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that makes sense because 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2, so I'm going to folding down my 1, 2 is my second finger. I have 1, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3, so 1, 2, fold down my third finger. On this side, the left-hand side is going to be 10s, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 9 times 3 is 27. On the left-hand side of my folded down finger, I count by 10s. On the right-hand side, I count by 1s. Now let's try 9 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I look on the left-hand side of my folded down finger and I'm going to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, stop because there's my folded finger. Now I count by 1s. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold down my fifth finger and that's my folded, so I'm going to count by 10s. On the left-hand side, 10, 20, 30, 40, stop, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 9 times 5 is 45. So 9 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, stop, because there's my folded down finger, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 9 times 6, that's my sixth finger, is 54. Now if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to count by 10s on the left-hand side. 9 times 7 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, stop, 61, 62, 63. 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 63. 9 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put my 8th finger down, and I don't count that finger. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, stop, 71, 72. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, we got 2 more. 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Stop. Plus 1, 1 would be 81. And then 9 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put down my 10th finger. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 times 10 is 90 because there's no 1s over here, so I just count my 10s. 9 times 10 is 90. All right, so you notice Mrs. Ferrer did something very naughty, which I would yell at you at school about, but I think this is probably a little bit helpful for his trick. I wrote on my left pinky 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this only works with multiplying by 9. It's the only number that you can figure out the multiples of. So if someone says 9 times 3, find my third finger right there, my 3's on it. Count by tens, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's my 7. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Stop, 61, 62, 63. 9 times 7 is 63. Let's do 9 times 4. There's my 4. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 9 times 9. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1. So I'm going to give you a little assignment. Try this trick. To do this, you don't have to write on your fingers. You can just kind of visualize in your head that there's numbers on your fingers. And we'll talk about it today during Zoom at 1 o'clock. And I love you, and I miss you, and I think you're awesome. And be awesome. Bye. Okay guys, so in case you want to write this down in your house so that you have it listed with your multiples of 6, 7, 8s. Now if you want to make a list of your multiples of 9, here's the actual list. And we're going to talk more about this list of numbers tomorrow because there's another trick that I kind of want to point out to you, but I don't want to throw out too much information at once. So going down, we have 9. That's one factor of 9, one group of 9. 18 would be 2 groups of 9. 27 would be 3 groups of 9. And continuing the pattern, 36 would be 4 groups of 9. 45 is 5 groups of 9. 54 is 6 groups of 9. 63 is 7 groups of 9. So just imagine that there's 9 things in each one of these groups. 7. 72 is going to be 8 groups of 9, 81 is 9 groups of 9, and 90 is 10 groups of 9. If the trick on my the fingers is confusing, you can just write this list down, hang it up somewhere in your house to help you to memorize those factors of 9. Okay, so your assignment for today is these 5 problems. 9 times 6, 9 times 2, 9 times 5, 9 times 9, 9 times 7. And if you would like to draw out the groups for those, you can do that. If you would like to go back to our multiples of 9, and if it's 9 times 6, count down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 54. That's a good way to do it too. If you would like to use the finger trick like I showed you in the video today, and you put down your 6th finger, count by 10s on the left side, and count by 1s on the right side, also a great trick. Whatever way you need to solve these problems, that's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to take a picture of your work and send it to me, and I will see you at 1 o'clock for Zoom. Love you. Be incredible. Bye.